Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Still sore from the accident, but overall not horrible. I did want to give you guys a little, kind of like an unboxing, a mail call type thing. Got two packages today. One, I'm going to separate to a separate video. So probably post it tomorrow, but film it right now. This one though, I know what it is, but never seen it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it open. So here we go. So this here is an Ausdom, at least I hope that's how it's pronounced, A-U-S-D-O-M. Ausdom. It's a 1080p webcam. I got it from Amazon for about 20 bucks, something like that, 20-30 bucks. So the reason I got it is because my webcam I got used a couple months ago. I thought it was a 1080p, but it's only a 720p. So I'm like, I want something nicer for when I start doing streams and things like that. So I got this one, and honestly, it looks really nice. Alright, so comes out like this here. So just a single USB connection. It says Ausdom on it. It's a pretty nice unit actually. It feels nice and sturdy in the hands. The mount actually has a spot for a tripod, so you can mount it on a tripod. And I'm not sure the release here. There we go. So it's also got the clasp for doing on top of a monitor. It's got the swivel that does 360 degrees towards the right and towards the left. It's got built-in mic and just generic USB webcam, but it looks really nice, really sleek. I'll see about taking a couple pictures to include it towards the end here, just to show you guys what it actually looks like up close. It does look like the chrome's going to be an issue with fingerprints if I have to do any kind of swiveling, but aside from that, it looks like a nice sturdy webcam, and I'm looking forward to using it. And hopefully I'll be able to get some live streams going. I know everyone likes to see themselves on Twitch and whatnot, and I'm not huge on Twitch, but who knows, maybe I'll get hooked because of this. So yeah, there we go. 1080p webcam upgrade. So this should be fun. So looking forward to that, and hope everyone has a great day. Keep safe, and as always, if you enjoy the content here at GreyWolf Towers, please subscribe, like the videos that you enjoy, and leave a comment no matter which video it is to let me know what your thoughts are about the issues that I'm discussing.